How are you doing, guys? It's Joe here at Jordan Bikes and Leeds, and welcome to the video of this stunning Honda CB1000R, and this is a Plus. It's 2019 on a 69 plate. It's only done 1,893 miles from new, and as you can see, it's an absolute Bobby Dazzler. Been the Plus, you get a little aluminium bit on the front there, has a little fly screen. Mr. Cameraman, I'll just show you there. You get the seat cowl with the aluminium part coming through it. You also get a quick shifter and an auto blipper as well. This one's got the factory fitted heated grips from Honda. You get a few different power modes. You get adjustable traction control, you get adjustable engine brake, and you also get ABS, and you get a digital display which you can see there. It also comes with a full LED front light. You get daytime running lights in the indicators, and it's a brilliant bike, honestly. There's such good value for money as well. Fantastic. If you do want to get this one bought, I'd be super quick, so get yourself down to Jordan Bikes or just give us a call. Thank you for watching. Cheers.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.